Action.
Action. Okay. Hello, class. So when you walked into the classroom today, you walked about 30 feet in about a couple seconds, and when you always have average velocity, whatever you do. So when you come in here and whenever you go from point A to point B, you can always calculate a speed that you go. So how far do you think it was when you walked from that door to where you're sitting right now?
Well, I don't know how long it was.
Well, estimate, maybe 30, 20 feet? 20 feet. Okay. So let's say, from that door to you, your name is Harsh. So that's 20 feet. And how long do you think it took you to walk that? Was it Elizabeth?
Well, I kind of talked to people on the ground, so.
Okay, so it wasn't a straight path, but you still walked a certain amount of distance. It took a time, so we're going to find the average. That's 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay. So say 10 seconds. Now, two things. It wasn't straight, and you didn't go at the same speed every time, but we're going to find the average. So this is simply, we're going to divide the distance by the time. And this will give us our speed, right? You see how that works? And what is this? Can anybody see this map? Yes. 2. Okay, right. 2 what? What do you say? What kind of a 2 is this? I mean, what feet per units? Feet per second. So about how fast is that? 2 feet per second. 2 feet a second. So not that fast.
Yeah.
So now, were you actually walking 2 feet the whole time? No. Okay, so when you cross the corner, you were going a little slower, maybe. And when you first got to your seat, you just had to slow down and come to a stop. So, yeah.
So are you saying that when we go straight, it could be a little higher than 2 feet?
It
When we
could
run
be higher,
forward,
yes.
it's lower with the average?
You get up to like 3 or 4 feet per second, and you go back down. But this is the average, so.
And we can convert this to, say, miles per hour or something. Right?
Yes, yes. So let me ask you, if you're in your car, which is the same principle, and you have to go a mile down the road, and it takes you 5 minutes to get there, how fast are you going? So you're 1 mile.
And so I'm gonna cut you